Look at that. Everybody is locked to the Cycle Drag YouTube channel, and for good reason. We've got a show for you. This is going to be a doggone good time. Stick with us. We've got a BMW.
How you doing, guys?
Good, how are you?
I can't complain. Ready to go racing?
Yes, sir.
All right. Very cool. Just checking out your race bikes here. What do you have? You have two of them, right?
Yes, BMW s1000rr and the HAYABUSA drag bike.
What do you like better?
The drag bike.
What type of ETs you running with the drag bike?
This is our first event, so we're not too sure yet.
Really? Okay. How about with the BMW?
850s.
Now, a lot of people just talk about how amazing that bike is, how technologically advanced it is. How long have you owned it?
3 years.
What's it like to ride?
That's great. It's a great time.
How much power have you been able to make? Have you had it on a dyno?
208.
208!
Yeah.
And what's been the key? I see you got a Brox exhaust.
MR12.
Flash the ECU?
Yep. Brentoon and MR12.
Excellent. What's your name again?
Joey.
From?
Ohio.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
And let's take a look at this beautiful BMW with the Brox exhaust pipe. Speaking of Brox exhaust, stick around to the end. We've got an opportunity for you to save money at Brox Performance. And we're also going to see this BMW take on a NITROUS HAYABUSA. Who will it be, BMW and Suzuki fans? We'll find out. This is Brainerd Motorsports Park in Ringgold, Georgia. We're going to get started with a stock wheelbase HAYABUSA taking on Ron Arnold, far lane, stretched out HAYABUSA. Two great leaves. Finesse is so important in a no wheelie bar category. Top end, Ron Arnold gets there first, left-hand lane. Speaking of Brox exhaust, take a look at this monster. This is the stretched out, beautiful, immaculate HAYABUSA of Dwayne Jackson. He's taking on a ZX-14. Dwayne out of shape. The ZX-14 gets there first. The fans loving every single minute.
And the crowd goes wild. Yeah!
Hey, we're still social distancing. Here comes our first look at the BMW on the track. This is a warm-up run before we get to the HAYABUSA BMW showdown. We've got an S1000rr taking on the Kawasaki ZX-14r. Take your pick in this one. Joey on the BMW shows you what 208 horsepower.
That is a beautiful sight. What's your name, sir?
Josh Cooper.
Where are you from?
Sneakville, Tennessee.
All right, here's a look at the NITROUS HAYABUSA that will oppose the BMW. He's got the same ZX-14 in the other lane. Appropriately named Major Damage, Suzuki clan. Whole shot going to the ZX-14, but here comes Major Damage. Watch that HAYABUSA. Suzuki HAYABUSA crosses the finish line first. And we've got an epic showdown shaping up. Before we get to that though, let's watch two masters of bracket racing. Here's the big man, Dustin Lee, near lane, taking on the lovely Robin Procopio, far lane. She's got the wheelie bar drag bike. Dustin Lee on his old faithful HAYABUSA. Nice smooth launch, Dustin. He loves that MTC Gen 2 clutch. Robin has problems. Dustin goes another round.
460, you're down to 20 seconds. You're not up here.
And we got to showcase our man.
One-hander even at night. I don't know. Uh-oh. He's setting up for it.
Barry Pryor. Always flashy, always fun. Well, Barry did not give us a one-handed burnout that time. That's rare for him. He needs to get in the zone. Right-hand lane taking the win, 583, takes out Pryor. We've got our BMW Busa match on deck. But in the meantime, we got another Hayabusa showdown. Dustin Lee, far lane. Rider 1120, near lane. Staggered start here in Pro ET. Dustin straight as an arrow once again. Top end, Dustin. 564 takes the win. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. It is main event time. Let me know in the comments. Are you a BMW loyalist or do you prefer the Suzuki Hayabusa? It is a nitrous Suzuki Hayabusa. The BMW's got the Brock's pipe, the Brock's kit, ECU flash, MR12, and 208 horsepower. Hayabusa out in front. Here comes that BMW making power. Top end BMW 561 takes the win. We're going bonus coverage. Dusty Brazell in the ZX-14. Richard Gadsden on Brian Dale's Hayabusa far lane. Red light start, Richard Gadsden. Brazell takes the win, 561.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope we provided you with a little bit of entertainment. That's always what we aim to do. We love motorcycles. You love motorcycles. Let's keep this thing growing. Check it out, guys. Up here on the wall, 100,000 subscribers. I love it. Thank you so much. It's all because of you. We appreciate it. Please come with any story ideas. We love the comments and the feedback. I read every single one of them. The positivity is always appreciated. And you haters out there, I love you too because you keep me on my toes. Thank you for watching no matter what. Guys, to keep this thing growing, please subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Hit the bell for notifications. Share with some friends who like drag racing, like motorcycles. This is how we can keep this thing going. And also like CycleDrag.com on Facebook, and we'll keep rolling. We'll keep finding those stories. We'll keep finding those impressive high-performance motorcycles you want to see. Thank you guys so much. Truly appreciate it. You know, if there's anything fast motorcycles involved, we are in. Cycle Drag.
Yes, make sure you share this video with any motorcycle drag racing fan, any sport bike racing fan. And how about this? The BMW wins the day. 208 horsepower thanks to an ECU flash, a Brock's pipe, a Brock's Stage 1 kit, some MR12 racing fuel, and that thing was flying. What a great time we had at the first ever SDBA event. Make sure you're locked in and subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube, and you like CycleDrag.com on Facebook because we've got more coming.
Hey, Cycle Drag, you know we got your back. Come here for a second. Check this out. Brock's Performance Exhaust. Well, right now, if you go down below in the description, you will find a special link to save you money at Brock's Performance. Make sure you check it out. The link is down below. You need your exhaust pipe and so much more.
Yes, indeed. We got your back. No matter what motorcycle you have, if Brock's has an exhaust system for you, we can save you money down in the description. What a great race it was, the BMW, the NITROUS HAYABUSA, always entertaining. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, everybody, for subscribing, liking, commenting. Hit the bell for notifications, and you know, if there's anything fast motorcycles involved, especially BMW and NITROUS HAYABUSAs, we're in. Cycle Drag rolls on.